See, speaker is here. The screen is very wide. It's a full option 360 panoramic with a screen here. Look, 7-seater. Mashallah, tabarakallah. May mga ano pa dito, parang speaker or warmer heater, I don't know. Very advanced car. This is Jetour 6700. Grabe kumapi ah. Look at the infotainment guys ah. Jetour G700. Yung ano dito is cloth niya parang suede. Sobrang laki din ng gulong. Ganda. Different color variants niya. Merong gray. Tapos yung sa loob niya is parang orange. Tingnan natin. Tapos ito yung orange na variant G700.